Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up the scheduled cleaning in the Q5 Pro robot vacuum. So we need to open the application, then click on the three-dot icon and go to the schedules. Now tap on the OK, tap on the add schedule, select the start hour, like at 5 o'clock, then repeat, so you can select the one day, every day, weekdays, weekends, or just a custom if you want to select the single days. Tap on the OK. Now select that you want to start a full cleaning or just single room, and select the cleaning mode. We can go to the general and select the section bar on the turbo, for example. Then tap on the exit icon. And basically that's it. As you can see, we have a new schedule. Thanks for watching and goodbye.